Welcome to today's daily market dissection. The purpose of this educational video is to point out where the Pro9 Trader rules agreed with the Pro9 Trader indicators to produce a qualified trade. Please note that these are hypothetical examples and were not taken live, and as such, they do not account for market conditions such as slippage or orders not being filled. They are for educational purposes to help you fast track your trading and improve your ability to identify our qualified trade setups. Good afternoon. Welcome to the daily market dissection for Wednesday, September 20th, 2017. Today's market is the NQ. Our first trade of the day at 10:14 is a continuation short. We are heading into the low, but our purple line is just on the right side of our neutral zone, so we can enter this trade confidently. This one just hits profit target with the runner getting stopped out at break even, followed by a continuation short at 10:45. Again, our purple line is just outside of the neutral zone, letting us head into the low of the day confidently. This one will hit profit target at the close of bar 3. We can begin trailing at the high of the previous bar at the close of bar 5 and widen to the green DPI price at the close of bar 7, riding over any wicks along the way, eventually getting stopped out by this turn bar. Then we have a single T short, and this one unfortunately goes against us. This is followed by a continuation short. This one just hits profit target with the runner getting stopped out at break even. Then we have a surf long at 11:17. This one hits profit target and the runner grabs an extra tick by trailing at the low of bar 5 after it closes. Then no qualified trades during the lunch hour. We did have a possible divergence reversal here at 13:08, but the entry is right on top of the 200. Our next trade happens between our 2 p.m. and 2:30 p.m. FOMC news. We have a dot trend short. This one just hits profit target with the runner getting stopped out at break even by this wick here on bar 7, which does give us a momentum entry. This one hits profit target at before the close of bar 9. We can begin trailing at the high of the previous bar at the close of bar 11 and widen to the green DPI price after the close of bar 13, taking part in the rest of the run, eventually getting stopped out by this turn bar. Then we are heading into 2:30 news, which will keep us out of this continuation, as well as a dot trend trade here, followed by a continuation that would have went against us, and another continuation which would have hit profit target at the tail end of news, could have possibly entered this one. Then we have a continuation long at 14:45. This one hits profit target at the close of bar 4. We can begin trailing at the low of the previous bar at the close of bar 6, adjust to the low of bar 7, just riding over this wick here by 1 tick, and then widen to the red DPI price, taking part in the rest of the run, followed by a continuation long, just hitting profit target. This is followed by a surf short at 15:07. This one unfortunately goes against us. Then we have a momentum long. This one just hits profit target with the runner getting stopped out at break even. Then in about the last 15 minutes of the day, we have a continuation long. This one hits profit target at the close of bar 3. We can begin trailing at the low of the previous bar at the close of bar 5 and widen to the red DPI at the close of bar 7. This trade does go beyond 4 p.m. where we stop trading for the day, and we'll end up flattening at 5976.75 where the price was at 4 p.m. And that is all of our qualified trades for the day.